friends. We are back after vacation. This case I dedicate to sisters. Raksha Bandhan is approaching, and in this case, we see how the role reversal is there, where sister has taken up the responsibility of brother's children, and she's supporting him wholeheartedly. So let's proceed to the case directly. I'll just share my PPT. So the title is Elements from Betrayal, and remedy which we are going to take today is Rus glabra. Materia medica has not been explored of this remedy. So we will try to study it through rubrics and through Yakir's Materia medica. So the theme is betrayal. And what is...
फुल स्क्रीन कर दे.
So the theme is betrayal. And the saddest thing about betrayal is that it never comes from your enemies. It comes from those you trust the most. So this case is really close to my heart because I have known this family for a very long time. And I know almost all family members from very long time. So this case is of a lady who is in her 40s. I have seen her grow. She used to be in college when I met her first. So their family was a very poor family. Her father was a gardener. Mother used to work as a housemaid, and they were given place in a building in the garage to stay. So they were very close to the building people. All the building people used to support them. And there are three siblings. So all the siblings were very sincere and hardworking, and they used to do all the chores and help all the residents of that building. So all the building residents also used to encourage them, used to provide them facilities to study for education and all that. So they have struggled a lot. There are two sisters and one brother. Patient is the youngest. And she lost her elder sister after her marriage. During delivery, some complications were there. She has lost her father also long back. So now mother, brother's family. He has two daughters and patient. Patient is married. She has one daughter. She's working in a very good position now. And now the problem came when brother had a financial crisis. So I will talk about that crisis to some extent. Her brother was also a very hard-working person. So he used to work in a resort. First, he joined as an attendant, and then he was a supervisor. Then he was made a partner because of his hard work, and he helped, promote the business so much. So finally, he took over the resort. And to his bad luck, the lockdown started, COVID period started. So he couldn't earn much, but at the same time, during COVID period, he had to give salaries to all the staff. So without much income, he had to shell out lot of money, and being sincere and conscientious, he went on paying salaries to all the staff. And plus he, took care of them also. So in the process, he was drowned in debts. He also tried to, run another resort, but then he could not come up. He could not come out of those debts. So a lot of financial liability was there. And People who had lent money to him, they were after his life. They used to threaten him. On one occasion, he was kidnapped. So he was too scared for his, two daughters, mother, wife. And wife is a very, she is from a wealthy family, so she has not seen adversities. So she used to feel very negative. And all the time she used to say, we will never make it, let's commit suicide, let's kill our daughters. So she was a very negative influence. Though her brother, Patient's brother, tried a lot, but then he couldn't succeed also. Patient also supported him wholeheartedly. She gave him money to start his business. She helped him. She told him that we will do something about it. We will go to police, we will go to lawyers, and we will try to do something about it so that, the money, people who have lent you money, they will not harass you. तो बहुत सारा अश्योरेंस देने के बाद भी one fine day, brother disappeared. Brother and sister-in-law both vanished. So fortunately, before that, because of her sister-in-law again and again saying that we should commit suicide, patient had taken measures so that the daughters and mother, at least his daughters and mother, will be safe. So she had brought mother and his daughters near her house, rented another house for them, kept them near her. She also shifted with them. She also made her brother sign school documents so that she could, transfer them from the school they were attending to the school in her vicinity. So fortunately, she had done all these formalities, and she could take care of the daughters. So she took the responsibility of the whole family. Now she used to get this feeling that in spite of me supporting him, in spite of me assuring him that we will do something about it, how come he left without telling me or without taking me in confidence? So that was patient's feeling. Patient came with a complaint of plantar fasciitis, where her right foot was paining. She used to get severe pain, throbbing, especially in the morning. It was very difficult for her to walk. And later on, also, like if she sat for a long time and she got up, and as the evening approached, her pain became very severe. Now, this lady is a very reserved lady, and she doesn't talk much. And in her office also, like she is very sincere, hardworking, but she lacks communication skills, because of which she lags behind. Usko promotions zyada nahi milte hain because she doesn't have, she is not a very diplomatic person. किसी को मस्का मारना, बॉस को मस्का मारना, पार्टीज अटेंड करना, तो वो सब उसका इट्स नॉट हर कप ऑफ टी. तो उसके वजह से उसको वो भी एक था कि मैं पीछे रह गई. Now, what is plantar fasciitis? It is any foot complaint is because foot helps you to move forward. So, wherever you are stuck in your life, you can develop foot problems. So, in her case, also, on one side in family life, she was stuck because her brother had left and she had to take the whole responsibility. She had to even stay separate from her husband, as her husband is also only son of mother, her his parents. So mother-in-law is a widow. So husband has to take care of her. So they stay in the same locality, in close vicinity, but in separate houses, and they keep visiting each other. They go out together. Now, I was talking about her nature. She's quite reserved. And as against her nature, her mother-in-law is very, very social. So she likes to mingle with people. She likes to invite people to her house. She likes to celebrate all the festivals with lot of zeal. बहुत उत्साह से उसको मनाने होते हैं. तो दिवाली में कुछ बनाना है, फराड़ बनाना है, या कोई फेस्टिवल गणपति पे कुछ बनाना है. तो दिस लेडी इज ऑलवेज बिजी बिकॉज शी इज वर्किंग इन अ कॉर्पोरेट. सो मदर इन लॉ फील्स कि अरे वो उसको तो टाइम ही नहीं होता है, कभी कुछ करना होता है, पूजा वगैरह भी करनी होती है, तो शी विल ऑर्डर एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. Patient makes it a point that she fulfills all her duties, but she doesn't get time to cook and all that. So mother-in-law was not satisfied with her. एंड वो कुछ ना कुछ पॉइंट पे उसका चलता रहता था. So patient had also, brought her mother-in-law for treatment because of depression and short-tempered nature. To At one point they even thought of, separating. But then mother-in-law alone, old lady, how can we leave her alone? So that is the reason she had brought her for treatment. So mother-in-law used to, complain about small things. And even for her daughter, patient's daughter, she was very nagging. सो बार बार स्कूल का तैयारी किया क्या, खाना खाया क्या, ये क्यों किया, वो क्यों किया. शी यूज टू कीप कंटिन्यूअसली कीप nagging द डॉटर, ग्रैंड डॉटर. सो ग्रैंड डॉटर यूज टू कॉल अप पेशेंट. वो बेचारी ऑफिस में काम करती है और इसके डॉटर के बार बार आजी मला त्रास देते, आजी मला त्रास देते करके फोन्स आते रहते थे. मतलब दादी मुझे परेशान कर रही है, ग्रैंड मदर इज ट्रबलिंग हर. तो दिस लेडी वॉज बैलेंसिंग आउट एवरीथिंग. Now, her husband is very cooperative, very supportive. They have taken up the responsibility to the extent, her one of her nieces, she is dyslexic. So, patient has taken admission in vernacular medium so that it becomes easier for her. She has brought her also for treatment to me. Other daughter wants to do a professional course which is quite expensive. That financial responsibility also patient has taken up. She has not even taken loan. वो बोलती है नहीं, लोन लेंगे तो और थोड़ा लाइबिलिटी में आ जाएंगे. इट्स बेटर दैट आई ओनली सपोर्ट हर. Though that elder daughter is, because of all these things, whatever has happened, she has become very, detached or indifferent, not very attached to the family, not appreciating what patient does, but patient is not bothered about that. So this is the story of this sister who has taken up the responsibility of whole brother's family. So I used to give her sepia uh, because I found her, little dry. There was no enthusiasm for the festival celebrations and all that, but she was very much duty oriented. So she used to take up all the responsibility and do her duties, but not, she was not a very communicative or very loving, affectionate person. So because of that, I used to give her sepia. There was no response in plantar fasciitis. Then I gave her Ruta. With that also, partial response was there. So then I thought I will talk to her again because psychosomatic thing was there that she's stuck. That I had also felt that she's stuck in her life because of so much of additional responsibility. So I tried to talk to her again, what her exact feeling was, to understand the elements from. So then she said ki I was trying to help my brother so much. We had even talked to lawyer, we had talked to police also. So I was trying to help him out. And we thought we could, we will be able to come out of it. But still, without informing me, he left. So that came as a jolt for her that if I was trying to help you, at least you should have taken me in confidence. You should have informed and gone. But I don't know what came to his mind that he left without informing. So that was the main core feeling. So what I felt was there was elements from betrayal because he did not keep trust on her or he did not listen to her. And she also felt like why he had to go without telling me. At least he should have taken me in confidence. So I felt, elements from betrayal. So I worked out the case again. I will share my repertory chart. So this was the repertory chart. Elements from being betrayed, elements from disappointment. I was trying to help him. Then there was a hope that he could have come out of it. Then why did he leave? She was also disappointed because he could not trust her. Delusion betrayed that she is delusion, his energy is scattered. Now, in this rubric, two words are important: his energy and scattered. Now, this lady is taking charge of her work. She is also fulfilling her responsibility as a daughter-in-law, as a mother in her in-laws family. At the same time, as a daughter, she's taking up responsibility of a sick, ailing mother and also brothers, daughters. So everywhere her energy is scattered. So she is not able to do justice to anything. Neither is she able to stay with her husband, nor is she able to take care of her own daughter who complains of being neglected because the patient has to do so many things. So delusion injured his being because of brother leaving. She has also faced, loss where she has to give all her attention, money, all the resources to her parental family also. So, which is causing some amount of damage to her overall life also. Then irritability, flippancy of others from. So she felt that brother, he did not even inform me. How could he be so, careless that he could have taken me in confidence and informed me? Flippancy is something that you do just casually. Then exalted love. Who takes care of, whole family? Who takes responsibility to the extent of, taking care of the education of both the girls to this extent where she's changing their school, taking care of her dyslexia, taking care of the elder daughter's professional course. Even normally, parents for their own children also, they have to think. Professional fees are so high, that too without taking a loan. So she's doing so much, taking a house for on rent for them, staying with them, taking care of them, taking care of the financial responsibility, quiet disposition. And this she is doing quietly without creating any fuss. Sacrificing, sacrifices making, putting needs of others before their own. अपनी किसी भी जरूरत का तो उसने ध्यान दिया ही नहीं है. She has always kept family as a priority, not just her own family, but her brother's family also. And serious. So she's not a very warm person, very cheerful person. That is why mother-in-law feels, she's very reserved and she doesn't talk much. She's always busy. She doesn't have time for, celebrations and all that. So basically, my entry rubric was elements from being betrayed. And then on retro, I could add all these rubrics. So I came to Ras glabra, which is from the Ras family. So Ras talks, we know for joint problems, but we hardly ever prescribe Ras glabra. So we will try to study the remedy through rubrics first. So if we study Ras glabra, the disposition, the rubrics which talk about the disposition are delusion, butterflies of. What are butterflies? Butterflies are beautiful objects, beautiful organisms, and one good part about butterflies is evolution or metamorphosis from caterpillar to butterfly. So there is a change in their life where they evolve. Then there is some spirituality also because of metamorphosis. Then delusion, knitted into one whole he is. So for him, the exalted love is so much that he feels he is, one with everyone. वो सबसे जुड़े हुए हैं. जैसे वो हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, ताना बाना जुड़ा हुआ रहता है, उस तरह से दे आर knitted into one whole. वो एक होल का पार्ट है और उनके साथ में सब जो भी पार्ट्स उतने ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. So delusion, abdomen is full of light. So they have this light of spirituality where they can, give light to others also. So they are very spiritual people also. Then if we see in Rasglabra, we don't have any rubrics of responsibility or duty. But if we see themes, there is compulsions, responsibility increased. So it is more of, they have to fulfill their duties and responsibilities. It comes like a compulsion. Then there is rationalizing and lack of feelings. So this patient doesn't come across as an emotional, warm, affectionate, loving person, though she is doing everything, because there is very rationalization. They are very rationalizing people. So there is a split in intellect and emotions. In short, I am saying that there is suppression of emotions and intellect is more magnified. So though this remedy is not there in emotions are predominated by intellect, because this remedy is not that proved also. So we will have to learn it through themes. Then again, psychological themes, if we see work productivity, money, and social position. So again, for the OCD, which I was talking about, the compulsion. तो ये काम में भी उनका compulsion है. So it's not that they are very ambitious, they are very passionate about work, but they take up work as a workaholic. Like we have seen in Rustox also, they keep continuously working. That is why continuous motion ameliorates and rest aggravates, sitting bent aggravates. So they have to keep working. So it becomes a compulsion for them. जैसे रस्टॉक्स में हम बोलते हैं ना, पेशेंट्स का वर्जन क्या आता है, एक बार बैठ गए तो बैठ गए, इसलिए काम करते रहना चाहिए, हाथ पैर चलाते रहना चाहिए. लॉट ऑफ ओल्ड लेडीज विल टॉक अबाउट दिस, इवन दो दे हैव आर्थराइटिस, वो बोलेंगे काम नहीं करेंगे तो हम बैठ ही जाएंगे. तो दैट इज सिटिंग बेंट एग्रवेट्स. So they have to continuously keep working and continuously be in motion. Communication inability form. This is in work area also, and this is with mother-in-law also. Courageous. Taking so much of responsibility also needs lot of courage. दो दो लड़कियों की responsibility. So this rubric, this disposition is also like this, that they take up so much on their head. And they also have this delusion that he is authority in his work. Like he is so good in his work that he is authority, yet he doesn't get promotions because he lacks communication skills or he lacks people skills. Healing power comes through him, he feels. And now you see everywhere it is mentioned as he. So Ras Glabra is a very masculine remedy. So if you see work, their involvement is work is so much, and with duty and responsibility is so much. It is not more with nurturing, but whatever has to be done has to be done. Healing power also comes through him, not her. So they have this masculine power which will protect everyone, love for everyone around him. Again him, it is not the feminine love. Seriousness and earnestness. So they will keep on doing things very seriously and earnestly. So here you can also think of, Nakswamika, which is very serious and very work oriented and very passionate. But here, more than passionate, it is more of duty oriented and they want to workaholic. They are also contented. They don't have many needs. Emotional needs are not that much. So this patient doesn't have her own needs. That is why she can do so many things for others. Now if we come to see, all the delusions, the morbid part. Betrayal aggravates because they do so much for everybody that if people don't reciprocate, people don't trust them, or people break their trust, they feel betrayal. For them, trust is very important. Delusion attacked is going to be from family members. Delusion energy is scattered, I already said. Delusion knitted into one whole, I have already explained. He is stabbed in back. मतलब पीठ में छुरा घोंपा है. हिम्मत है तो सामने से मारो ना. पीठ में छुरा घोंपा मतलब आपने मेरा ट्रस्ट तोड़ा. मैंने आपकी तरफ पीठ क्यों की? जब मैं आपको ट्रस्ट करता हूं तो ही आपकी तरफ मैं पीठ करूंगा. सो पीठ में छुरा घोंपने वाले हमेशा बिट्रेयल वाले लोग रहते हैं. जैसे बाहुबली में कटप्पा ने मारा. कटप्पा वॉज दी प्रोटेक्टर ऑफ बाहुबली, और दुश्मन ने उसको ही यूज करके कटप्पा से बाहुबली को मरवाया, जिसपे कभी भी सस्पिशन नहीं होता था. इसलिए बिट्रेयल इज ऑलवेज थ्रू योर लव्ड वंस, थ्रू योर पीपल हु आर वेरी क्लोज टू यू. Delusion separated soul, spirit, and body. So, fifth subclass theme is one more thing of this family, an Acadiaceae family, where Rus glabra is. All the plants of this family are poisonous, but Rus glabra is one plant where leaves are also edible. So, there is some amount of goodness in them. Delusion war inside herself, being at war. तो वो स्प्लिट की वजह से वो वॉर में ही रहते हैं. इसका करूं, उसका करूं, किसका करूं, क्या करूं. Elements from deception and disappointment. Dreams, mother has penis. So there is also one remedy that dreams women with penises. So on one side, this explains the masculinity of this remedy, and also the danger a penis can have, it can penetrate. So harmless people, mother, very selfless, whom you cannot, you doubt or suspect of doing you any harm. But if mother has penis, mother can also penetrate you. Dreams about protection, being protected self and protecting others. Because there is a lot of, delusion of being injured and all that. So they are always, scared of people causing them betrayal and injuries. So dreams protection about. So in subconscious, what runs is I have to protect myself and I have to protect others too. Dreams of sisters. So this is like we have this brotherhood sensation. Dreams of sisters. Sisters are close to each other. They help each other. So this also talks of their bond. Sisterly bond. Then forgetfulness about cleaning himself. We have always learned that in OCD there is cleanliness mania. But here the OCD is of doing work. So इतना वो काम में खो जाते हैं कि उनको अपना पर्सनल क्लीनलीनेस का भी ध्यान नहीं रहता है. Sadness thinking of father. Father is the protective figure who protects you from outside world, protects you from society. So here they feel sad that father is not there to. So here I wanted to tell you the remedy response. So I had started with Rus glabra, 33 doses in a week, and she was almost 50% better. Her discomfort or pain in the morning, which she used to feel, it was very severe and she just couldn't step. That pain had reduced drastically. And I think she continued for 2-3 weeks regularly. And after that, now, whenever there is exertion and the pain increases, she comes, takes medicine for 1 week and she settles down. So she's still on Rus glabra, 33 doses weekly. So in this case, we saw how the role reversal is. So femininity is all about vulnerability. Masculinity is about protection. Hardening yourself so that you don't fall prey to others. So you don't suffer from any injury. you don't suffer from any hurts or betrayals. So, Ras Glabra teaches us how, a person becomes masculine to take care of everyone. So, though it is unemotional, but there is exalted love. So, we have to remember that Ras Glabra also has exalted love and they want to hug. And it is not, noble love is, and there is a spirituality, something very pure about their love. So, I think this case we have, has helped us to understand Ras Glabra in depth. With this, I thank everyone and do watch the video, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.